Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you apply for First Citizen Auto Loan. So in order to apply for First Citizen Auto Loan, you could apply online through their website or visit a local branch as well. If you want to do it, what you can do is, first of all, open a First Citizen online banking app. You can log in. So what you have to do is you could simply go ahead and start a new loan application. So to apply for a First Citizen Auto Loan, you could initiate the process online or visit a local branch as well. So you could just go ahead and type in First Citizen. You could just type in that and you will be taken to their official page. Now you could start a new loan application by checking your status or resume a saved application through First Citizen online portal as well. And you could also do it in person by visiting a local branch. And you could also prepare the required document like identification, online form of valid driver license or passport, a recent pay slip, and a job letters. And you could also utilize a bill or a bank statement not older than 3 months. And this way you will be able to apply for a First Citizen Auto Loan. You could go to read all the terms and conditions as well. Now thank you for watching. See you in the next video.